Hello friend. Now today we are going to discuss the topic in metric space, that is the closed set. Now see what is the definition of closed set. If we take suppose XD as a metric space, a subset A of metric space X, it is said to be closed. Closed means A contains all its limit point. Now set of all limit point, it is denoted by the notation A dash. If suppose A, if it is the given set, then set of all limit point, it is denoted by the notation suppose A dash. Now see what is the definition of closed set. A subset A of metric space X, it is said to be closed. Closed means A contains all its limit point. A dash, it is subset of A, or in the other word we can say that A contains all its limit point. A dash, it is the notation for set of all limit point. Set of all limit point, it is denoted by the notation A dash. So see, this is the definition of closed set. What is meant by closed set? A subset A, it is said to be closed. Closed means A contains all its limit point. A dash, that is set of all limit point. If A contains all its limit point, then we can say that A, it is said to be closed set. Now let us take some example by which we can easily determine that whether it is closed set or it is not closed set. Now see, this is the first example. If we consider n as a set of natural number, determine whether the set of natural number, whether it is a closed set or not. Now set of natural number, see what are the element for natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite number. These are the element of natural number. Now we want to show that, or we want to determine whether the set of natural number, whether it is closed set or not. Now see what is the definition of closed set. If it is called the closed set means A contains all its limit point. So first of all, we want to find out the limit point for natural number. If this set n, if it contains all its limit point, if set n contains all its limit point, then and then we can say that n, it is called the closed set. Now see how to find out the limit point for the natural number. Now we have already seen the topic for the limit point. Now see what is the definition of limit point. If XD is a metric space and if suppose A, it is subset of X, then X is called the limit point for set A. If X is called a limit point means every open sphere contains infinitely many points of set A. See what is the definition of limit point. If we consider XD as a metric space, suppose this is the metric space, and if suppose A, it is subset of this metric space, then point X, which may be element of A or may not be element of A, both the cases, X is called the limit point of set A. What is the definition for limit point? Limit point means every open sphere. We have to take some open sphere. Every open sphere contains infinitely many points of A. This is called the definition of limit point. Then X is called the limit point. So see what is the definition of limit point. Every open sphere or every neighborhood contains infinitely many points of A. It is called the limit point. Now see, first of all, we want to find out the limit point for this natural number. Now see, these are the natural number 1, 2, 3, this is suppose 4 and so on. Now we have to find out the limit point for this natural number. Now this 1, this is not the limit point for this natural number. See how to find out the limit point. Limit point means we want to find out the open sphere. Now what is open sphere for the real line? If we take, suppose, consider this a real line and these are the natural numbers, suppose. What is the open sphere for the real line? Open sphere, it is nothing but the open interval. So this is the neighborhood, or this is the open sphere for this real line. Now if we consider, suppose, this point 1 and if we take, suppose, this is the neighborhood or open sphere, then this neighborhood does not contains infinitely many points of the natural number. So x equal to 1, or this is not the limit point. 2, this is not the limit point, because if you consider any neighborhood or if you consider any open sphere, then this open sphere does not contains any point of natural number. Similarly, we can show for any other point. Suppose if we take, suppose, 4, then this is the neighborhood. We can take every neighborhood. We can take smallest of the smallest neighborhood. Now if we consider this neighborhood, then this obviously this neighborhood does not contains the infinitely many point of n. Therefore there is no limit point for the natural number. So see, limit point for the natural number, it is empty. There is no limit point because there is this neighborhood does not contain the infinitely many point of the given set. So set of all limit point, it will be empty. Now this empty set, this is always the subset of any set. See what is the definition of closed set. If set A contains all its limit point, then and then this A, it is called the closed set. Now first of all, we want to find out the limit point for the natural number. What are the limit point for the natural number? Empty set. So set of all limit point, it is empty set for the natural number, and this empty set, it is always the subset of any set. So obviously this set of all limit point, it is subset of n. So obviously this is the definition of closed set. What is the definition of closed set? Set n contains all its limit point. Set of all limit point for the natural number, it is empty set. An empty set always it is subset of n. So this is the definition of closed set. Set of all limit point, it is subset of that particular set. This set contains all its limit point. So according to definition of closed set, we can say that n, it is called the closed set. So see how to show that n, that is a set of natural number, it is a closed set. Closed set means contains all its limit point. So first of all, we want to find out the limit point for the natural number. So limit point for the natural number, it is empty. There is no limit point for the set of natural number. Obviously this phi is subset of natural number. So this set n contains all its limit point, and therefore n is called the closed set. Now let us take the second example. Z, it is set of integer. Now again verify that whether the set of integer it is closed set or not. So what is the definition of closed set? If Z contains all its limit point, then and then it is called the closed set. So first of all, find out the set of all limit point for the set of integer. Now set of integer contains 0. It contains all the positive element 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite number, as well as it contains the negative number -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now first of all, check whether this is the limit point for the set of integer. Now see what is the definition of limit point. For limit point, we have to consider any open sphere. Open sphere means just take the open interval or take the neighborhood. So this open sphere does not contains the infinitely many point of z. So this is not the limit point. This is not the limit point. Limit point means if you consider this open sphere, then this open sphere does not contains any infinitely many point of z. So this 2, it is not the limit point. Similarly, we can show this same condition for the point 3, 4, 5. These are not the limit point. Now this 0, this is not the limit point if you consider this as an open sphere. Obviously, this open sphere does not contains any point of z. If you consider this negative point, if you consider suppose this -2, then this is our required open sphere. Now obviously this open sphere does not contains any point of z, so there is no limit point. So limit point for the set of integer, it is just empty set. Now obviously this empty set, this is the subset of any set. So what is this condition? This set contains all its limit point. So if z contains all its limit point, so according to definition of closed set, we can say that z, it is a closed set. So remember this definition of closed set. If set contains all its limit point, then and then it is called the closed set. Now let us take third example, Q, that is set of rational number. Now let us take third example, Q, that is the set of rational number. Now we want to verify whether Q, that is set of rational number, it is closed set or not. Now suppose consider this as a real line and consider suppose the set of rational number. Now suppose consider this as a rational number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite number. It contains the negative number also, -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity, and it contains the division type number also. It contains suppose 1/2. 1/2 means 0.5. Suppose this is that number 1/2. It contains 1/3 and so on. It contains suppose 1/2. This contains 1/3 and so on. So rational number, it contains every number, 0, positive number, negative number, and it contains the division type number also. Now see, first of all we want to find out the limit point for the set of rational number. Now see this 1, this is the limit point, because if we consider this suppose the open sphere means just take the open interval. Now this open interval contains infinitely many rational number. If you consider suppose this point 1, then this is the open sphere or this is the neighborhood for this point. Now this open sphere contains infinitely many point of rational number, because we know that every interval contains the infinitely many rational number as well as the irrational number also. So if we consider this point 1, and if we consider suppose this, if we take suppose this as a neighborhood or open sphere, then this open sphere contains infinitely many point of rational number, because we know that every open interval contains the infinitely many rational as well as irrational number. So 1, this is the limit point. This 2, it is again the limit point, because if we consider this as an open sphere, obviously this open sphere contains the infinitely many point of rational number. The reason, it is again the same reason, because every open sphere contains or every open interval contains the infinitely many rational as well as irrational number. So every number, it is the limit point. 2, it is the limit point. 3, it is the limit point. -1, it is the limit point. -2, it is the limit point. This 1/2, this is again the limit point, because if you consider this as an open sphere, so this open sphere contains infinitely many point. So every number, it is the limit point. So this set of all limit point contains the every rational number, every element. It contains 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, 1/2, 1/3, -1/2. So it contains all the rational number, so these are the limit point. Now suppose if we consider any irrational number, suppose this is an irrational number root 2. Now if we consider this irrational number root 2, suppose root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11. Now let us consider any irrational number. Now let us take root 2 as irrational number. Now for this point root 2, this is the open sphere for this point. Now obviously this open sphere contains infinitely many rational number, because this interval contains rational as well as irrational number. So if we consider this point root 2, which is the irrational number, and if we consider this open sphere, so obviously this open sphere contains infinitely many rational number. So root 2, this is again the limit point. Root 3, this is again the limit point, or root 7, this is again the limit point. Because if we consider this as a neighborhood or open sphere, then this open sphere contains infinitely many rational number. So set of all irrational number root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13, these are all the limit point. So this contains the irrational number also. So see, if we consider the set of rational number, then what are the limit point? It contains the rational number as well as it contains the irrational number. So rational union with irrational means it is the set of a real number. So see, if we consider the set of rational number, then what is the set of all limit point for the rational number? It is just a real line. Now this real line, this is not a subset of this rational number. So see, this condition it is not hold. Q does not contains all its limit point, because what is set of all limit point for the rational number? It is the real line. So this is not subset of rational number. So according to our definition, we can say that set of rational number, it is not closed set. So the previous example n, it is set of natural number, this is the closed set. Second example, we have seen the set of integer, we have seen that this is again the closed set, but the set of rational number, this is not the closed set. Similarly, we can show that set of all irrational number, it is not the closed set. For irrational number, the same thing. The limit point will be all the rational as well as the irrational number. The reason it is the same reason. Set of all rational number, it is the limit point, as well as we can show that the set of all irrational number, that is also the limit point. So rational union with irrational, it will contains the total line or the real line. A real line, it is not subset of this irrational number. For the set of irrational number, what is the limit point for this set? It is the real line, and this real line, it is not the subset of irrational number, because this real line contains rational as well as irrational number. This is the bigger set, and it contains just QC means it is the irrational number. R means it contains the rational as well as irrational. So this is not the subset. So we can say that this is not the closed set. Now let us consider the next example. Determine whether the open interval 0, 1, whether it is closed set or not. Now obviously this is not the closed set. Now first of all, we want to find out the limit point for the interval 0, 1. Now suppose this is 0 and this is suppose 1, and just consider this as a real line. Just plot this interval 0 to 1. Now in between 0 to 1, or if you consider this 0 and 1, these are all the limit point. Now how to show that 0 it is the limit point for this interval 0, 1? If you consider suppose this as a 0, then this is the neighborhood, or this is the open sphere for this point. Now obviously this right portion, this open sphere contains infinitely many points of this set. This right portion contains infinitely many points. So it is called the limit point. This one, it is again the limit point, because if we consider this as the open sphere, then this left portion contains the infinitely many points. Similarly, for intermediate point, we can show the same condition. if you consider suppose this middle point, and if you consider this as the open sphere, then this open sphere contains the infinitely many points. So the limit point for this set, it is nothing but the closed interval 0, 1. What is the limit point for this? What is the set of all limit point for this open interval? It is just closed interval 0, 1. And obviously this is suppose the limit point. If you denote suppose this is a set A, then what is A dash? A dash means set of all limit point. Obviously this is not the subset of 0, 1, which is our set. So A does not contain all its limit point. So according to definition, we can say that A, it is not the closed set. Now similarly, for half open interval 0 to 1, close at 0, open at 1, and the closed interval 0, 1. Or for A equal to 0 to 1, what is the limit point? It is again the closed interval 0, 1. Obviously this is not subset of A, so this is not a closed set. We can show the same condition for half open interval 0 to 1, close at 0 and open at 1. So this is not a closed set. Now if you consider A as a closed interval 0, 1, then what is the limit point? All the point. Suppose this is 0 and this is 1. 0, it is the limit point, because if you consider 0, then this is the open sphere. Obviously this open sphere contains all its point, infinitely many point. So 0, it is the limit point, as well as we can say that 1, it is the limit point. So what is the set of all limit point for closed interval 0, 1? It is same, closed interval 0, 1. And obviously this is subset of A, which is the closed interval 0, 1. So this set contains all its limit point. So this is what the definition of closed set. So we can say that A, it is closed set. So see, remember the definition of closed set. What is the definition of closed set? If A contains all its limit point, then we can say that A is closed set. So thank you for watching.